Hi, I'm Jim Anderton, editor of Canadian Metalworking magazine, and we're here at FABTECH 2013 in Chicago. FABTECH is a fabricating show as opposed to a chip or machining show, so one wouldn't expect to see any machining or conventional machining processes here. However, at Kinetic Cutting Systems, there's a machine that is a hybrid in a sense that kind of bridges the gap between conventional fab cutting machines and machining centers. And I'm with Chris Ware. He's software manager for Kinetic Cutting Systems. Chris?
How do you do?
Chris, you have a very interesting machine here which seems to do processes that we rarely see in a fabricating or straight plate cutting machine. Tell me about it.
This is it's a combination plasma, drilling and milling machine. The biggest benefit is that you avoid all the secondary handling, marking up, shifting parts from the cutting table to the milling table. Does it all in one. Drill, mill, thread mill, tap, cut the parts out, 5-axis bevel, so you can do your weld preparations as well. It's a very clean operation. We're recycling the coolant and the chips. We're sucking the plasma fumes away as well. So it's a very clean table to operate.
Chris, I see a tool changer system would be familiar to our readers that are involved with machining centers. That I also see you have a cassette. How many tools?
It's a 24-tool automatic tool changer with a length measurement tool on the side there as well for measuring tool length.
Oh, so is it possible to clip a Renishaw probe or one of the traditional sort of measuring probes as well? Would you typically use that with this machine?
Yes, we have done that.
Okay.
Yep.
And how many axis is the milling side of this machine?
Well, it's a 3-axis mill,
yeah.
5-axis plasma.
Okay, terrific. And I'm curious, beveling is one of the more recent innovations in plasma laser and cutting this way. Would it be preferable to bevel with the plasma head, or would you bevel with a conventional machine tool, from a speed perspective?
Definitely, if it's for weld preparation, you definitely use the plasma. This is fast. It does a pretty good job. There's not a lot of beveling done with our milling tool.
Chris, in terms of controls, how does the control work?
It's a PC-based Windows touchscreen. Very easy to use, very friendly. Just shows you controls you need at any one time, so it's a clean interface, not too cluttered.
Now, would this machine be programmed at machine side, or could you program cutting paths off machine and bring it to the control?
You can program it at the machine, but we strongly recommend programming offline, because if you're programming on the machine, the machine's not working.
Okay. And how big a plate? What's the capacity of the bed?
This can drill 10-inch plate. It can drill 6-inch plate and tool change. If you're using 10-inch plate, you have to move off the plate. Cutting capacity, plasma up to about 3-inch, and the flame from there on up.
Good, Chris, is this machine available for order now as we speak?
It is.
Is this, and a lead time approximately for delivery?
Well, this one's available today, but normal lead time is about 8 weeks.
Very good. Chris, thanks for telling me about it.
Thank you, sir.